Hi guys, I'm Radhika. Welcome to my channel, and it's probably the first time you're watching me on Instagram because this happens to be my first video, and this has come after so many
ifs and buts and yeses and nos and whatnot.
and I finally decided to film this video.
Buy a few equipments. I'm not still there yet, but I thought
Let's just try and test. So let's see how it goes. I wanted to film this video before the Nykaa sale ends, and it's kind of on the last leg of things, but then there are a lot of brands that are running great discounts, especially high-end brands like Charlotte Tilbury and MAC and Urban Decay. These brands have 25-30% off going on, which I think is the best time to buy from these brands if you were eyeing them. So I wanted to share a short, normally not that short, but still a short list of products that I have tried, tested, and these are not the products that I've bought on this particular sale. I've bought them over a period of time, but I still love them. I like them. I like the performance and everything about them. So here we go. As you can see, I have a ton of products here, but I'm going to segregate them into different categories that will make people easier to understand if they want to buy something or not. Starting off with the first category, which is makeup. I don't have a lot of products in this category, but there are things that I genuinely like. The first product that I'm going to talk about is in the makeup category, and it's also the most expensive amongst the other products that I've listed. Is from Charlotte Tilbury, should I say. It's the Hollywood Flawless Finish. This sparkly little thing out there is so expensive. I love the product. It does blur out my under eyes and my pores a little bit here and there. It does keep my makeup in place. But would I buy it without a discount? Probably not. But the good thing is it is on a 25% discount right now. So in case you were eyeing this product, I think it's literally one of the best times to buy this. I don't think you will get better than this. Actually, I saw there was a 30% discount also going on, but overall, great time to buy this product if you were eyeing. Second product is in the lipstick category. It's the MAC Bullet lipsticks. There is 20% and 30% discount going on right now on MAC Bullet lipstick. The full size lipsticks are on 30% discount. The smaller ones, these mini ones, are available for I think 1,000 or 1,100 rupees, which is I think a great price considering it's MAC, and you get to try different shades also. So I think it's a good offer, and I have two shades with me. One is Warm Teddy, another one is Meher. Both of these are just such beautiful nude shades for light to medium skin tones, or actually light and light to medium skin tones. But there are so many other shades there in their range, and you can try out something that you like, something that works. The third product is a drugstore makeup product, and also the last one on my makeup list. This is the Fit Me concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I don't even know how many bottles of this I've used. I've been using it, I think, ever since my college days, and I have more expensive products in my vanity now. But I really feel that I haven't been able to get rid of this one because it's just so lightweight. It doesn't give me a full coverage. I would still have to use another concealer on top of it, but I always use this shade 30 as a color corrector. It's a little peachier for me, a little darker for me. It works so flawlessly as a concealer and a color corrector, and then I use another concealer on top of it and it works like magic. Oh no, this is my last product. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Fixing Spray. You know, there's sometimes when you buy an expensive product and you're made to like it because it's expensive, and you're like, it's great. Deep down you're like, it's just average. But this, I don't think it falls into that category of things where I've used it, I've purchased it, and I think I would also purchase it even if it was not on a discount. It's that good. The mist is so fine. It does not create like a blotchy look. It does make my makeup stay for the entire day. Probably I'll just give you like a demo of product. Just look at the mist of this one. I'm in love with this. This is great. So that was all for my makeup segment. Coming to the skincare, body care side of things. Another very famous product, but famous for a reason. I love it when I try on a hyped up product and it turns out to be great. The Tony Moly Mochi Toner. You can see how much I've used it, and mind you, इतना जो बचा है, it's not because I've not been able to finish it, क्योंकि मैं इसको बचा के यूज़ कर रही हूँ. और ये इतनी बड़ी बॉटल है that it has lasted me a really long amount of time. It is available on a whopping 40% off, and it's available for 900 rupees. 900 for this big a bottle. I think it's great. It's great. The best part about this product is that you can use it in summers, in winters. Oily skin would love it, dry skin would love it, normal skin would love it. It's just such a friendly toner that everybody is going to love it. So in case you are eyeing it, buy it.
Another really famous, quite favorite, a very all skin type friendly product.
The Simple Face Wash. I think this is my third or fourth bottle. I'm not quite sure about it. But ever since I've started to use it, I think all of my other face washes or skin cleansers, they've just side mein ho gaya. Because it's that good. This is one product that you can use in daytime, in nighttime, after gym, after office, for removing makeup. Oily skin is going to like it, dry skin is going to like it. Basically, it's going to be everybody's best friend. And it's on a 30% off right now, which is amazing. I love it.
Last on the body care category.
The Nivea Coco Nourish or any body lotion from Nivea, it's been my favorite ever since I was a child, and ये वाला खाली हो चुका है. I'm going to restock on it, and it's on a 55% off, I think. Yeah, it's on a 55% off, which is so great because the amount of body lotion that you get in this, it's crazy. It's going to last you at least for 2 months or so. For me, it lasts even longer because I have others in my stack also, but nothing can go wrong with a Nivea lotion, right? Now coming to the fragrances, and the first one that I have here is Gingham from Bath & Body Works. I don't know, I have a lot of things to say about this one and Bath & Body fragrances in general. So Bath & Body body mists generally don't stay at all. You spritz them on yourself and they'll just go away like they never existed within half an hour or an hour max. This is an exception. Mind you, this is an exception. I don't know if they've changed the formulation, but the one that I have, it lasts on me all day. And I'm so surprised. I'm just blown by the fact that a Bath & Body fragrance body mist can actually last that long. And not just the long lasting part of it, the fragrance in general. I love it. I love it. I just love this. It's so fresh. It's so clean, girl. Clean girl is the word. Exactly that. It just gives you like a very prim and proper, and you know, I've taken a long bath, a long shower. I've got my nails done. I've got my hair done, and I'm going to the office, and I have a great job. But I'm also the it girl. It gives you me that. I don't know why, it does. And it's such a versatile fragrance. It can be worn in the office, it can be worn to the gym, it can be worn to a brunch, a lunch. Very versatile. Can be worn in the summers, can be worn in the winters. All in all, great one. Even if you had to make like a blind buy from Bath & Body Works, I think this could be it. Up in the perfume category, I have products from Lancome. You would have guessed by now. It's Lancome's Idole and La Vie Belle. Now both of these perfumes are sort of similar in the sense that they do have those floral notes to them, but they're also very different from each other. Now which one would I pick? I would personally pick the Idole. Yeah, I would pick the Idole one because it's a little more powdery than La Vie Belle. La Vie Belle is good, but I think it's just ever so slightly screechy for me, probably because of patchouli. Okay, and talking about the notes, La Vie Belle has the notes of vanilla, patchouli, white flower, and I think jasmine as well. It smells good. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, but if I have to compare these two, then I would go with Idole because it's a lot more powdery, it's a lot more well blended, and if you're not somebody who likes off the bat florals, I think Idole is the one that's going to work for you a lot better. It's going to give you that, how can I explain this to you? It's like I have a sleek ponytail, I'm dressed in a crisp shirt and like very well fitted pants. I have a laptop in my hand and I'm going to the office in the morning. This is what I would wear. This is what I would wear. Either of these two. But if I had to pick, I would pick Idole. And I think I'm done here. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my vibe, if you want to hear more from me in the future on makeup, skincare, body care or fashion, just don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel because that's going to motivate me to make more videos in the future. I hope I do.